Here we go with another unboxing video from Amazon. I don't know if you've seen these tools, they're pretty cool. It's got metal, but it's not a blade, so if something is close to the top, it doesn't actually cut it. But if you need to, this hook can get right in here, and then it's got a blade inside. So it's got a protected blade that allows you to cut this strapping tape that has fiber. But because this is not razor sharp, it cuts through without doing damage to your product. So let's see. There we go. Nice cell phone cover. And some Bluetooth headset. So this is Blunin, and it was about $25. I've seen some that are $100, $200, but I figured for my first purchase I'm going to go with the $25 one and see what we get. There we go. These are supposed to just pull out. And push this button to get it to go back in. And then this box here, I'm guessing it's a charging cable. Oh, look at that. You got different size tips for different size ear canals. And then a little charging cable. Nice little warranty card and a manual. There we go. Oh yeah. That's gonna work. And you'll just use standard pairing. It's a nice hard cover. It's supposed to fit the Moto G6. Sure enough, there it is. Look at that. Nice and handy. There you go. Unboxing of a Blunin headset and a cell phone cover from Amazon. This is Monty Reed for YouTube. Have a great day.